Hi everyone. So I've subscribed to Simply Gilded monthly box for a while now, and the sticker album that she has come out with lately are just so gorgeous. It is a smooth vegan leather, and I have been using them to store her stickers, but I just don't own enough of her stickers to make use of every single album. So I thought to myself, what are some other ways to repurpose them? Then I realized the mini sticker album is pretty much the same size as the passport size traveler notebook. This is my Midori traveler's notebook. It's the passport size, so it's the mini tiny ones. I love using the smaller ones when I'm traveling or when I'm just out and about with a smaller purse. So today in this video, I will show you how I have converted this Simply Gilded mini sticker album into a passport size travel notebook. It is actually quite quick and easy. I have a crochet needle to help me thread, but it is optional. You will also need some sort of a hole puncher to make holes with. I used a Japanese screw puncher here with a 2mm head. Or you can use an awl or a Crop-A-Dile puncher. I've included them in the description below. Then you will also need some elastic cords. Pick whatever color that matches your sticker album. Here I'm using white. The first step is to remove the sticker pockets inside. To my surprise, it is actually quite easy to twist it off from the album. You might have to pry it a little to loosen the edge slightly with maybe like a thin ruler first. After that, just with a tight grip, you can just unscrew it like unhooking a button, like this. Just be careful and don't use too much force, otherwise you might tear into the leather and you don't want that. Definitely save the inside pockets. You can actually reuse them in the traveler's notebook later. You can just use it like an insert to store stuff in the notebook. So now you have 2 holes, but don't worry, we are actually gonna make use of those 2 holes later. And the second step is to actually create another pair of holes. So use the notebook insert as a guide. Here I have a few extra Midori passport size traveler notebook inserts already. Of course you can make your own. I have also included links to these notebooks that you can find online. I'm just eyeballing to make sure the book is centered. You can always measure it out exactly. I dotted the top corner and the bottom corner. And just make sure these dots are aligned with the existing holes. Now I'm just gonna punch the holes where the dots were using the Japanese screw puncher. Now you have all 4 holes in the same line, and we can move on to the next step. The last steps are threading the elastic cord through the holes. Start with the inner pair of the holes going from inside to outside. Then thread it back into the inside through the top and the bottom holes. When it is done, the cord will just run through the album like this. Let me zoom it out. Then tie the top and bottom ends together with the knots on the inside. Make sure you adjust the tightness so that it is not too tight that it scrunches up the album, nor too loose that it won't hold the inserts properly. At this point, the transformation is technically finished. You can trim off these ends of the knot so that it is tidier. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to attach some charms to it later. And I'm not going to skip ahead to put the inserts in right now to see how it fits. You can always adjust the knots if it is too tight or too loose. I'm gonna put more insert in because I use more than just one. I have a blank notebook here, and I also have a little file folder one here that I've used from the other traveler notebook. To put more than one insert, just add another elastic cord around the first one like this. Wrap around it and then tie a knot. Again, you can trim off the knots and later. Now you can put one book in the front. And then one more at the back. I bought more of these albums and actually came up with more ideas on how to use them other than storing stickers. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I can use it daily, swapping out different colors. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.